Yo, what up? It's the Cosmic here, and welcome to my new series, Day Trading 101. Today we are going to go over choosing the right broker, and I'm going to give you my top 3 selections of brokers. So stay tuned and find out. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment. Also hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to get any future content. Please support this channel by checking out our Subscribe Star, where you can get exclusive content and access to our premier Discord server. Today we're going to talk about 3 brokers: E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, and TradeZero. All the links will be down in the description. First, we'll talk about E-Trade. The location is allowed for only US residents, and there is no minimum deposit for a cash account. However, if you want a margin account, it will be a $2,000 minimum. There's no commission for listed stocks. However, if you want to trade OTC stocks, there is a $6.95 per buy or sell commission for those stocks. Their charting tools are E-Trade Pro, which is a downloadable desktop version, or Power E-Trade, which is accessible via web or mobile. Their trading hours are 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. And if you want to trade pre 7 a.m., there will be an extra cost and you'll have to call in your orders. Next, we'll talk about TD Ameritrade. It is also available for only US residents. There is no minimum deposit for a cash account, but there is a $2,000 deposit minimum for a margin. There is also no commissions for trading listed stocks, as in the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. But there is a commission for OTC stocks, same as E-Trade, with the $6.95 per buy and sell commission fee. The charting tools that they use is Thinkorswim, and it is available through the website, a desktop downloadable version, or a mobile version. Their trading hours are 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., and if you want to trade pre 7 a.m., you will have to call in your order and it will cost an additional fee. Finally, TradeZero. TradeZero is an international broker. You can use TradeZero USA for USA residents, or just the normal TradeZero for any other accounts. The minimum deposit is $500 for a cash account and $1,000 for a margin. There is no commission for any listed stock over $1, and for OTCs, there is a 99-cent flat fee for any position under 200 shares, and there is a half a penny per share fee for any shares over 200. The charting tools that they have is Zero Web, Zero Pro, Zero Free, and Zero Mobile. And their trading hours are from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Bonus broker! I get a whole lot of questions asking if I should use Robinhood as my broker. And here is a quick and simple answer.
Oh hell no!
Are you tired of getting in hot moving stocks late? Does your current breaking news software break your bank? Getting fed up with poor software performance? Well, ditch what you have now for Benzinga Pro, the fastest and most reliable breaking news source on the web. With a fully customizable workstation and on-time push notifications to your desktop, you will never be late again catching that hot stock. Benzinga Pro beats its competitions hands down in both performance and customer support. Click on the link in the description and use code MADAZ25 for 25% off Benzinga Pro for life. Want to test it out before you buy? No worries. You can try Benzinga Pro 2 weeks free with no obligations. No credit card information needed, just an email address and your phone number. Sign up today and make more money.